What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Garage. It's already weekend and I found some time to come get the Evo and take it to the shop and fix some stuff on it. As you know from the previous video, I had already some parts that I bought for the car, and it's a Saturday. My friend let me use his shop, so I came for the Evo, take it to the shop, and probably today I'm gonna be fixing the rear differential bushings, and if I still have time, probably I'm gonna do the headlights, the LED low beams, and I'm gonna clean the headlights. So as you see, I already started the car, just waiting to warm up a little bit. I'm gonna drive it to the shop and I'll take you guys along with me. All right, guys, car is in the shop. Excited to do the changes, so I'm gonna lift her up. Also bought out the dealer tag, so that's how I can drive it for now, because no tags yet. So I'm gonna lift it up and see underneath for the first time, because I never lifted up. I just looked, I went like down and looked underneath. But yeah, I'm gonna do the rear differential bushings, and if I still have time, of course the oil change while I'm here, and if I still have time, I'm gonna clean the headlights and do the LED. So the car is up. Let's take a look. Doesn't look that bad. Looks like a very little oil leak from the oil pan right here. That's not a big deal. Stock downpipe, stock cat. Let's see. If we go down, there's the cat, and then 3-inch exhaust. As we go here, looks like they did the rear differential service. It looks fresh, so the guy was right that he did the differential service. And the exhaust, it's wet, grady exhaust, and that's what I'm gonna be replacing, these bushings. And from here, they are really bad. They are really bad. So yep, I'm filming with my phone. Probably I'm gonna take it out and then go outside and change the bushings. I don't know if I can put the phone somewhere here and so you guys can see how I'm taking them out, but I'll try. So let's go to okay, guys. So this 17 millimeters, and this is 19. This was the hardest one. This one, it's already loose. I put the jack stand so I can hold the differential. So this one, they come out with the hand after with the wrench. You just make them loose with the wrench and then comes out with hand. And this one, the same. This one was the hardest one, but comes out. So I start this side, then I go this side. Probably I'll have to remove the exhaust. I'm not sure. I'll see if I have space to take those bolts out. If not, then I'll remove the exhaust. And then coming to the bushings for the mustache. I think that's how it's called, this one. Looks like I have to make this one loose, come out back down a little bit, but I'll see. I'll probably try the easiest way, but I'll try to film for you guys and at the same time work. But yeah, I'm going out with this piece first. Yeah, this one came out, this one came out, also this one. Okay, put them down, and now this one, I still have to hold it. Yep, there we go. This side is out. Yep. So the bolts on this one, on the right side, came out without removing the exhaust. So exhaust is still here, and I got all of these 3 bolts out, and now the big one, the 19 millimeters. So the 17, they all came out without removing the exhaust. So now just the 19 millimeters. I'm gonna put the phone down so I can take her out, and then yeah, I'll have both pieces. Right, so I have the other piece out. Yep, they both here. This is the right side, this is the left side. Now I'm gonna go for the mustache bar. Try to remove it. I don't know how hard it is. Looks like has some bolts here, I think 2. And then from here, but probably this subframe needs to be lowered, because I don't know if I have space to remove it from one side or another. So I'll check that. Okay. 3 bolts, 17 millimeters, 1, 2, 3. I make them loose with the wrench. Now I'm taking them out with my hands. Let's see from this side. Yep. They were really tight, as they were tightened from the factory, I'm guessing. So I don't know if these bolts are the same as the ones, but I'm gonna put them on the side so don't confuse them. Looks like they're the same length as the other ones. So, yeah, the other one is here. It's really good when I put this support for the differential, because you can move the differential up and down and makes easy to take the bolts out with my hand. And the third one, yep, it's all the way there because of the lights. You guys can see. I have the light here. Yep, now the differential is moving. Yeah. And then this bolt and the other one, and this mustache bar, it's gonna be loose, easy to move it, and then I'll find a way how to take it out. Okay, just sprayed some WD-40 there. This is how I'm doing it. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one came out loose. One more time. Alright, already I have to hold it from the other side, so it's already loose. Let's see if this one we can make it. This is the exhaust, so I need both hands. I'm gonna put the phone. So what I did, I lowered the subframe. I took all these bolts out. There's 3 on this side, 3 on the other side, and 2 right here. And I'm supporting this one with another jack stand and differential right here. So I made enough space so I can pull it through this side. Now there we have it, the mustache bar and the side mounts of the differential. I'm gonna go and change the bushings. All right, guys, so I think the hardest stuff on this job is to remove the bushings. The old ones, I removed them already. This is how they look. They are pretty bad, you guys can see. Yeah, now I gotta put the new ones in and install it in the car. So here is the instruction and everything, how to install them, because they are different. They have numbers, so each one goes what it's supposed to. So I'm gonna assemble those and then install them in the car. So while I had those pieces out, I say why not, and I went ahead and I did some other undercoating spray, paintable undercoating. And because I say who knows when I'm gonna have them out next time, and I cleaned them with a metal brush with a drill, and I cleaned them really good. Now I just spray them. So it's not like a lot because nobody goes under the car, but you know, when you lift up the car you want it to look nice. So that's how they look. I just want to wait for them to dry and install the bushings and go them in the car. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for those pieces to dry out, I say let me do the oil change. So just draining the oil, change the filter, and when I put the car down, just top off the oil, fill it with oil, top it off, and then good to go. So bushings are in, everything that says in the instructions. So now they were pretty easy, just putting in with your hand. Now I'm just gonna install them in the car and show you the final progress. So this is the final. This is how it came out. Looks pretty nice. Because the other bushings, they were pretty messed up. And that's it. Just lower the car, put oil, and go for a drive. See how it feels this time. Already going home, guys. I left the shop not that long ago. Almost getting home. The car drives a lot better after I installed those bushings. Also, I did oil change and I replaced spark plugs, so I can keep track of my oil changes. So now about to get home. Car drives perfect. I'm happy that I saw the car underneath and I checked what else I need. One of the ball joints on the front control arms, it's bad, so I'm gonna order the ball joints. Also, I'm gonna order an idler pulley because it makes noise, it just stops when it warms up. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and please share this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos on these cars.